The most common misconception about Islam and the Quran in the minds of both Muslims and non-Muslims is one, that the Quran, the way it expresses itself to the Messenger of God, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is the same way that it addresses the Muslims of later times. It is pretty much clear in the Quran that there are some aspects, passages of the Quran which were meant for the Prophet and his times alone. They were not expected to be understood and practiced the same way in the later times. The most significant amongst the mentions of the Quran that were not meant for the later times was that the people who did not believe in Islam, they were declared kafirs, people who were despicable, who were looked down upon by the Almighty because of their arrogant behavior. They were the ones who did not convert to Islam, even though within Muslims they were hypocrites too. It is a misunderstanding that now all non-Muslims likewise belong to the category of kafirs. Sadly, this one misunderstanding has caused a lot of problems for the Muslims as well as the non-Muslims. But the most significant problem is that the Quranic message, the way it ought to be understood, is not being understood. And therefore, I feel that it's the most important misconception that needs to be removed from the minds of all those who come across the Quranic text.